Welcome to Smart Physics. In this particular video, I'm going to dismantle question number 17 of the JAMB Physics paper for 2025. This could be the difference between getting a mediocre grade and smashing 90 plus. Let's quickly dismantle question number 17. The gravitational pull between two bodies is 20 newtons. Find the gravitational pull when their distance of separation is doubled. Now, for us to address this, we need to recall universal gravitation. The law of universal gravitation says two objects in a gravitational field attract each other by a force that is given by attraction is equals to universal gravitation mass 1 times mass 2 over the square of the distance of their separation. So in this particular case, we are saying G m1 m2 over r squared is equals to 20 newtons because they were attracting each other by a force of 20 newtons. Now once this is done, we are now going to find the new one after doubling the separation. So we start with the force which is in existence now, which is 20 newtons, is G m1 m2 over r squared. Now we are going to double the distance. Doubling the distance means the distance now is 2r. Therefore, in this particular part of the equation, we are now going to use 2r squared, which is the same as 4r squared. 2r squared is the same as 4r squared. So we can safely rewrite this. Double the distance, it becomes 2r, then we square the distance. Therefore, we are going to have the new force is gmm over 4r squared, because if we square 2r, we get 4r squared. Once this is done, we want to factor out the factor which has been used, because initially we have gmm over r squared, so we still have our quarter, which we have introduced here, times g m1 m2 over r squared, which was in existence here. So this thing is the same as what? 20, because it was 20 before doubling the distance. We just introduced a multiplier factor, which is a quarter. So a quarter times 20, it will give us 5, which was on B. The key factor here was, can you recall and apply the law of universal gravitation for mass 2 and mass 1 in a gravitational field? I hope you found this to be very helpful. Wishing you all the best as you prepare for your JAMB Physics paper for 2026. Until we meet again.